What makes a great TV picture? A great TV? Sure, but how great's your TV without the right kind of aerial? Well, thank goodness for MS Aerials. In Wirral and Chester, you can rely on us to get your picture crystal clear. We'll supply and fit aerials for any type of TV, including stereo and Freeview signals, together with digital aerials supplied, fitted and repaired. Plus the latest satellite and FreeSat systems. Since 1982, we've been fitting and maintaining communal systems using our special signal strength meter to get you the best possible picture. There are no hidden charges, and we guarantee a fast, same-day service. We take great pride in the work that we do, which is why we have such a great reputation. We provide all our services at a price that won't break the bank, and will always remain flexible to your individual requirements. Call Mike Sinkinson at MS Aerials for a free, no-obligation quotation.